everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Online Income. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create Solflare wallet and import it through Missy browser extension. This wallet is owned by Solana ecosystem, so we are going to use this wallet on Missy browser to claim our graphs. Now, in case you don't have this wallet, all you will do is to go to Play Store. I've already downloaded mine, so search for it, Solflare, download and open it. Now, once you have downloaded it and it's open like this, click on this place. Click on this place to open. You click it, it will open. Then click the edit button here. Then click these three button here. So it's not showing. I hope you can see it. These three button here. Tap on it to copy the recovery phrase, because we are going to import this wallet into Missy browser using the recovery phrase. Now we tap on this. It says show. Now I'm going to pause this video to input my password and copy the recovery phrase, because I'm not supposed to expose. Okay, this has been done. So the next thing we will do is to go to Play Store again and search for Missy's browser. So let me type it here. Look at it, Missy's browser. I have already downloaded this one also on my phone, so it's updating. Let's wait for it to update. So the browser has finished updating, as now it is open. So when the browser is open, what you do next is click this button that look like brush. You click on it. So you are seeing my grass, because I've opened created grass wallet on my Missy browser already, grass app. So you click this place, you tap on it, because we are creating a wallet. Now you click extension. You see extension at the top. Click extension so that it will open. It's opening, because we are creating the Solflare wallet on Missy browser. Now click the button, the three bar button beside extension. You'll see it here. Click it. Okay. When you click it, you see web store. Tap on the web store. Let's wait for it to open. It's a little bit slow. Now it is open. Now on this place you search Solflare wallet. Let's tap on the search bar. You can see it is already here. Tap on it. It's opening. Let's retype it again. And then open Solflare. Let's go. Okay, it has opened. Now click the first one you're seeing here. Open it. The first one on the search bar. Now it has opened. We will add it to Chrome. So tap add to Chrome here. Once it is open, it will be tiny. Just expand your interface of your phone. You will see it here. Add to Chrome. Say OK. So once it is added to Chrome, we will go back to extension and open it. Let's wait for it to be added. So as you can see, the wallet is added already. Let's click on it and open it. So we have added it to the Missy Browser extension. So let's click on it and start the importation. Now, if you're creating your wallet for the first time, you click create a new Solflare wallet. I need a new wallet. Now, in this case, we are importing it, so we are going to click the second one, which is I already have a wallet. So we tap on it. Now we are going to paste our recovery phrase to this place for us to import the wallet. Now I'm going to do this by pausing this video so that I cannot expose the. Now the wallet is created. So what you do there is just import, paste your recovery phrase, input your password, and that is it. Confirm it. The wallet is created. So this is how easy it is to import your Solflare wallet to Missy Browser extension. So if you are mining grass and you're here to create a wallet, you can follow the step on this video to create one. But if you want to use Phantom wallet, it is the same process. If you have a wallet in your phone already downloaded from the Play Store, you can import the wallet into Missy Browser extension. So what I did here with the Solflare wallet is the same thing you can do with the Phantom wallet too. So this is very simple to do. Watch the video. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, subscribe to my channels and click the notification bell so that you receive notification whenever I make a new video, and also like and share this video. Finally, watch my playlist and you will see other interesting videos there that might be valuable to you. If you need more video like this, go through my playlist. You will see some interesting